Renting a car for the first time can feel overwhelming, but with the right guidance, it becomes a straightforward process. In this video, we'll walk you through every step you need to know to rent a car confidently, from choosing the right rental company to understanding the paperwork involved. Whether you're planning a road trip, need a vehicle for business, or simply want the freedom to explore a new city, renting a car opens up a world of possibilities. Let's start by understanding what car rental is and why it might be the perfect solution for your travel needs. There are many reasons people choose to rent cars. Maybe you're traveling to a city where public transportation isn't convenient, or perhaps you want to enjoy a scenic drive on your own schedule. Renting a car can also be useful if your own vehicle is being repaired or if you need a specific type of car for a special occasion. Understanding your reasons for renting will help you make better choices throughout the process, from selecting the right vehicle to deciding on insurance options. The first practical step is to choose a reputable car rental company. There are many options, from international brands to local agencies. Consider factors like price, vehicle selection, customer service, and location. Reading online reviews and comparing prices on aggregator websites can help you find the best deal. Also, check if the company has convenient pickup and drop-off locations, especially if you're traveling by air or train. Most people book rental cars online these days, which often gives you access to better rates and a wider selection of vehicles. Booking online also allows you to compare different companies easily and see all the available options. However, some people prefer to book in person, especially if they have specific questions or want to see the cars before making a decision. Both methods have their pros and cons, so choose the one that fits your comfort level. Before you can rent a car, you'll need to meet certain requirements. Most companies require drivers to be at least 21 years old, though some may have higher age limits or charge extra fees for younger drivers. You'll also need a valid driver's license and, in some cases, an international driving permit if you're renting abroad. A credit card is usually required for the security deposit, so make sure you have one available. Choosing the right car depends on your needs. If you're traveling alone or with one other person, a compact car might be perfect for city driving and fuel efficiency. For families or groups, a larger vehicle, like an SUV or minivan, offers more space and comfort. Consider the type of trip you're taking, the amount of luggage you have, and any special features you might need, such as GPS or child seats. Rental rates can vary widely depending on the company, location, and type of vehicle. It's a good idea to compare prices across several platforms and look for special deals or discounts. Pay attention to what's included in the rate. Some companies include unlimited mileage, while others charge extra. Also, check for hidden fees like airport surcharges or additional driver fees. Insurance is a critical part of renting a car. Most rental companies offer several types of coverage, including collision damage waiver, liability insurance, and personal accident insurance. It's important to understand what each policy covers and whether you need it. Sometimes, your personal car insurance or credit card may already provide coverage for rental cars, so check before you buy extra insurance. If you plan to share driving duties, you'll need to add additional drivers to the rental agreement. Most companies allow this, but there may be extra fees. All drivers must meet the same requirements and present their licenses. Make sure to declare all drivers upfront, as failing to do so can void your insurance coverage in case of an accident. Be sure to check the rental company's mileage and fuel policies. Some rentals come with unlimited mileage, while others have daily limits and charge extra for exceeding them. For fuel, you'll usually need to return the car with the same amount of gas it had when you picked it up. Some companies offer prepaid fuel options, but these are often more expensive than filling up yourself. On the day of your rental, arrive at the pickup location with your driver's license, credit card, and reservation details. The rental agent will verify your documents, explain the rental agreement, and may offer you upgrades or additional services. Take your time to read the contract and ask questions if anything is unclear. Once everything is in order, you'll be handed the keys to your rental car. Before you drive away, carefully inspect the car for any existing damage. Walk around the vehicle and check for scratches, dents, or other issues. Make sure the rental agent notes any damage on the inspection form, and take photos for your records. This step is crucial to avoid being charged for damage you didn't cause when you return the car. Take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the car's controls before you hit the road. Adjust the seat and mirrors, locate the lights, wipers, and fuel release, and check the dashboard for any warning lights. If you're unsure about any features, ask the rental agent for a quick demonstration. Being comfortable with the controls will make your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. Many rental cars come equipped with built-in GPS, or you can request a portable navigation device for an extra fee. Alternatively, you can use your smartphone's navigation apps. Make sure you have a reliable way to get directions, especially if you're driving in an unfamiliar area. Confirm whether your rental includes GPS or if you need to bring your own device. Driving in a new city or country can be challenging. Take time to review local traffic laws, speed limits, and parking regulations. If you're driving abroad, be aware of different road signs and driving customs. Plan your routes in advance and allow extra time for unfamiliar roads. Staying informed will help you avoid fines and make your trip smoother. Finding parking in a new place can be tricky. Look for designated parking areas and always follow local parking rules. Avoid parking in restricted zones or blocking driveways, as this can result in fines or towing. If your hotel or destination offers parking, ask about rates and availability in advance. Keeping these tips in mind will save you time and stress during your trip. Some routes may include toll roads, especially on highways or in certain cities. Ask the rental company if your car is equipped with an electronic toll pass or if you'll need to pay cash at toll booths. Keep some change handy just in case. Understanding how tolls work in your destination will help you avoid unexpected charges and delays. In case of an emergency, such as a breakdown or accident, know the rental company's emergency contact number. Most companies provide roadside assistance, so don't hesitate to call if you need help. Keep the rental agreement and insurance documents in the car at all times. Being prepared ensures you can handle any situation calmly and efficiently. When your rental period ends, return the car to the agreed location on time. Make sure the fuel level matches the policy and remove all your belongings from the vehicle. The rental agent will inspect the car for new damage and check the mileage. If everything is in order, you'll receive your deposit back and the rental process is complete. If you're running late, contact the rental company as soon as possible. Most companies offer a short grace period, but returning the car late can result in extra charges. Communicating with the rental agency can sometimes help you avoid penalties or arrange for an extension if needed. After returning the car, review your final bill for any unexpected charges. Common extras include fuel fees, late return penalties, or cleaning charges if the car is excessively dirty. If you notice any discrepancies, discuss them with the rental agent before leaving the location. Keeping your paperwork and photos from the inspection can help resolve any disputes. Renting a car abroad involves a few extra steps. You may need an international driving permit, and insurance requirements can differ from your home country. Make sure you understand local traffic laws and driving customs. It's also wise to check if your credit card covers international rentals or if you need to purchase extra insurance. Some trips require picking up a car in one city and dropping it off in another. This is called a one-way rental, and while it's convenient, it often comes with extra fees. Always confirm the cost and availability of one-way rentals before booking, and make sure the drop-off location is open at your planned return time. Age restrictions vary by rental, company, and country. While 21 is a common minimum age, some places require drivers to be 25 or older, especially for certain vehicle types. Younger drivers may face additional fees or restrictions. Always check the age policy before booking to avoid surprises at the counter. When you rent a car, the company will place a hold on your credit card for a security deposit. This amount is usually released after you return the car in good condition. Make sure you have enough available credit to cover the hold, as it can temporarily reduce your spending limit. Ask the rental agent how long it will take for the hold to be released after your rental ends. The rental agreement is a legal contract between you and the rental company. It outlines your responsibilities, the company's policies, and what happens in case of an accident or damage. Read the agreement carefully before signing, and don't hesitate to ask questions if anything is unclear. Understanding the contract helps you avoid misunderstandings and unexpected charges. Rental companies offer a variety of optional extras, such as GPS devices, child seats, or upgraded vehicles. While these can add convenience, they also increase the total cost. Decide which extras you truly need and decline those that aren't necessary. If you're offered an upgrade, ask about the price difference before accepting. To save money on fuel, choose a car that matches your trip needs and drive efficiently. Avoid rapid acceleration and heavy braking, and keep your speed steady. Plan your routes to minimize unnecessary driving. Returning the car with a full tank, as required, will also help you avoid extra fuel charges from the rental company. If you receive a parking ticket or traffic fine while driving a rental car, it's your responsibility to pay it. Some rental companies will pay the fine on your behalf and charge your credit card, often adding an administrative fee. Always follow local traffic rules to avoid fines and settle any tickets promptly to prevent additional charges. It's easy to leave personal items behind in a rental car. Before returning the vehicle, check all compartments, seats, and the trunk for your belongings. If you realize you've left something after returning the car, contact the rental company as soon as possible. Most companies have a lost and found process to help reunite you with your items. Good customer service can make your rental experience much smoother. Choose companies with positive reviews for helpful staff and clear communication. If you encounter any issues during your rental, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. A responsive team can quickly resolve problems and ensure you have a positive experience. Many rental companies now offer eco-friendly vehicles, such as hybrids or electric cars. These options can help reduce your carbon footprint and may even save you money on fuel. If sustainability is important to you, ask about green vehicle options when booking your rental. Rental agreements often use specific terms like collision damage waiver, unlimited mileage, or drop-off fee. Take time to learn what these mean so you can make informed decisions. If you're unsure about any term, ask the rental agent for clarification. Understanding the jargon will help you avoid confusion and ensure you get the best value. Car rental prices can fluctuate depending on the season and demand. During holidays or peak travel periods, rates may be higher and availability limited. Booking early can help you secure the best rates and ensure you get the vehicle you want. If your travel dates are flexible, consider adjusting them to take advantage of lower prices. Many rental companies offer loyalty programs that reward frequent renters with discounts, upgrades, or free rentals. Signing up is usually free and can provide valuable perks over time. If you plan to rent cars regularly, joining a loyalty program can help you save money and enjoy a smoother rental experience. Car rentals aren't just for travel, they're also great for special occasions like weddings, proms, or anniversaries. Many companies offer luxury or specialty vehicles for these events. If you're renting for a special occasion, book early and confirm all details to ensure everything goes smoothly on your big day. If you need a car for several weeks or months, ask about long-term rental rates. Many companies offer special pricing for extended rentals, which can be more cost-effective than daily rates. Long-term rentals are ideal for temporary work assignments, extended vacations, or while your own car is being repaired. While most rental companies prefer credit cards, some accept debit cards with additional requirements. You may need to provide extra identification, proof of return travel, or a larger deposit. Always check the company's debit card policy before booking to avoid surprises at the counter. If you plan to drive your rental car across country borders, inform the rental company in advance. Some companies restrict cross-border travel or require special documentation and insurance. Always clarify the rules and get written permission if needed to avoid problems at the border. If you're traveling with pets, check the rental company's pet policy. Some allow pets with no extra charge, while others may require a cleaning fee. Always return the car clean and free of pet hair to avoid additional charges. Bringing a pet carrier or blanket can help protect the vehicle's interior. Most rental companies have strict no smoking policies. Smoking in the car can result in hefty cleaning fees or penalties. If you're a smoker, plan to take breaks outside the vehicle and avoid leaving any odors or residue behind. Respecting the policy helps keep the car clean for the next renter. If you're traveling with young children, most rental companies offer child safety seats for an extra fee. You can also bring your own seat if it meets local safety standards. Make sure the seat is properly installed before driving, and confirm that it's appropriate for your child's age and size. Many rental companies offer vehicles with accessibility features, such as hand controls or wheelchair ramps. If you need special accommodations, contact the rental company in advance to ensure availability. Providing details about your needs helps the company prepare the right vehicle for you. To make your first car rental experience as smooth as possible, plan ahead, read all agreements carefully, and communicate openly with the rental company. Keep all your documents organized and return the car on time and in good condition. These simple steps will help you avoid common pitfalls and enjoy the freedom of the open road. Renting a car for the first time doesn't have to be stressful. By following these tips and understanding the process, you'll be ready to hit the road with confidence. Remember, preparation is key. Know your needs, read the fine print, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Enjoy your journey and the freedom that comes with your first car rental adventure.